Hi, my name is Orlando Garcia, and I'm doing this for an assignment for my class. I'm supposed to kind of look around screencast, and just give my opinion on it. First glance, it looks simple and kind of straight to the point, although it was a little bit complicated trying to figure it out. My computer could not run this program for a while. It kept saying that it couldn't detect the app, or the app was like couldn't download it. So I had to restart my computer, restart the website, redo, basically find the website and actually go into where you can find the free trial. And yeah, but after seeing it, I can see how straightforward it is. Once you get into the website and you download the actual application, you can open up the the features where it's a just the screen, the webcam, or the screen and the webcam, which is pretty interesting. Not many applications let you do that. Because yeah, actually, I can actually see a lot of benefits to this website and the application. I can move it around once in a while. I can unmute myself. I can unmute myself. Can I mute myself? I cannot. Oh. And yeah, hopefully we could use this application later in the semester. It'd be pretty fun. Thank you.